Hi there! Welcome to Daily English Learning with Nour. This is where you'll finally start speaking English confidently, every single day. Most learners spend years studying but still freeze when it's time to speak. Why? And how can you break that cycle in just minutes a day? That's what we're solving here. I'm Nour, your friendly guide on this journey. I mix smart AI tools with heart and care to bring you lessons that fit your pace and your goals. No boring drills, no confusing grammar overload. Just simple, powerful lessons designed to boost your confidence and fluency step by step. Here, we dive into real conversations, fun shadowing exercises, and practical vocabulary that you'll actually use. From daily speaking challenges to real-life English situations, you'll get everything you need to sound like a natural speaker, understand native rhythms, and express yourself with ease.
All set. Do you have any seating preferences?
If possible, a seat near the window, please.
Hi, can you take me home, please?
5 English mistakes even native speakers make.
I usually get up around 6:30 a.m., but let's be honest, sometimes I hit the snooze button once or twice. We all do, right?
Thank you. Here's your room key. You'll be in room 408 on the 4th floor. The elevator is to your left.
Thanks. Just one question. Is breakfast complimentary?
So hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join thousands of learners making English fun, simple, and effective. Ready? Let's get started.